Hello everyone. So students, yesterday we have started up with the first chapter from economics, the story of village Palampur. And in that session we have discussed in detail about the various factors of production. Let's have the quick revision at that. Which were the various factors that we had discussed yesterday? So the first factor of production that we discussed yesterday is land. Another one that we had discussed was labor. Over there we have discussed about the types of labor also, that is the skilled labor, and another one the unskilled labor. Then after that we have discussed about the third factor of production, that is the physical capital. Then we have also discussed about the types of these two. कौन से types पढ़े थे? One is the fixed capital and another one the working capital. And lastly, we have discussed about the fourth factor of production, that is the human capital. Now today, what we are going to do, we are going to discuss in detail about infrastructure of village Palampur. So yesterday also I have told you about the infrastructure of village Palampur, that whatever situations we are going to discuss over here, क्या है this village Palampur? Actually this is the hypothetical village. ठीक है, hypothetical का meaning क्या होता है यहाँ पे? That is all the situations that we are going to take over here, those are the imaginary situations over here. So let's discuss the infrastructure of village Palampur. Palampur, it's well connected with neighboring villages and towns. ठीक है, Palampur क्या है? It is well connected with neighboring villages and towns. In total, how many families are living over there? 450 families. ठीक है, in total, how many families are living in village Palampur? That is 450 families, those are living in village Palampur. Now in terms of houses, there are two types of houses which are there. What are those two types of houses? Kacha houses and another one is Pakka houses. Now what are these Kacha houses and Pakka houses? Kacha houses are the ones which are made up of mud and straw. ठीक है, कौन से होते हैं कच्चा houses? Which are made up of mud and straw. And Pakka houses are the ones which are made up of bricks and cement plastering. Now who are actually living in these kacha houses and pakka houses? All the upper caste families which are there. वो upper caste families कहाँ पे reside कर रहे हैं? Those upper caste families, those are living in pakka houses. ठीक है, and all the lower caste ones which are there, this is say for example the Dalits which are there, those are living in kacha houses which are made up of mud and straw. Then most of the houses which are there, they are having electric connection. Most of the houses in village Palampur, they are having this electricity connection. Now what is the purpose of this electricity? It's used in various houses also, plus as well as the electricity, it powers the ट्यूब वेल्स. सबसे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट यूज़ किस चीज़ का है यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर रनिंग ट्यूब वेल्स इन द fields, and plus along with that it is used in various small businesses over there. Other than that, Palampur is having 2 primary schools and 1 high school is there. ठीक है, it is having 2 primary schools and 1 high school. In terms of health facilities now, it is having 1 primary health center.